So this arrived in the mail today. This is very exciting. A bit of a backstory with this. If you have watched some of my previous video on this subject, you'll know what I'm talking about. But if not, I'll put a link up here or up here. I think it's up here to that video. I crashed my DJI Mavic Pro drone probably about 3 weeks ago now. And when I contacted DJI, at first they said that they weren't going to do anything about it. They had a flyaway warranty, which is 12 months. It's older than 12 months. So they said that it wasn't covered by the flyaway warranty, which was a bit unfortunate. I was a bit disappointed with that response. So what I did was I uploaded my flight logs. I checked to make sure that it was not my fault, and it wasn't. There was a lot of compass and speed errors, as you'll see in that other video I described. So I uploaded those logs, and then I went to the DJI forums, and a nice lady called DJI Susan responded, and she asked me to upload those, and I told her that I already had. She said that she would get management to look into it, and next thing you know, I started to get emails from DJI that were saying that they were going to give me a free data analysis of the drone flight. They were going to give me complimentary service, repair service. Then they sent me a label and they said, send back the drone and we'll have a look at it and see what went wrong. So I did that, sent it back to them. And then they sent me a message to say that they had repaired it the day that it had arrived at DJI. So this is the replacement that they have sent. Now it is a replacement because I checked the serials, and the serial that they have sent in this package is different than the serial of my drone. So we'll go ahead and unpack this, and I'll be very interested to see what is in here. But really happy about the way DJI went about this. A hole in the box, which is not a good start. I wonder where that come from. Worst unboxing video ever. Right. So, the first thing I notice is that there's quite a hole in here. So hopefully whatever went through there hasn't damaged anything. Don't think that's my serial number on the box. So let's flip it open. The plastic on the inside actually protected anything from going through. And there we are. Look at that. That is a brand new drone. There is stickers on the side that say that are brand new. Now this is taped up over the gimbal, which is interesting. I did not provide them with the gimbal lock. My gimbal had fallen off and the camera had fallen off. So this is interesting. They didn't provide me with any propellers, any props, so I think I'm going to have to buy some more of those, but that's fine. Look at that. That is a brand new drone. So that there is fantastic. Over the moon about that. The arms feel like they're brand new, but not a scratch on it. If it's been refurbished, no, it is brand new because it's still got the plastic. So I don't think it's been refurbished. I guess it just proves that if you have a problem with your drone and it flies away on you and crashes, definitely upload your flight log, make sure that you check that it wasn't your fault, and contact DJI, post in the forums. Hopefully DJI Susan will respond to you, because that's fantastic. I never thought that they would send me a brand new drone, so that's just fantastic. So if you've had a similar experience, please leave some comments on this video. I'd love to hear what you thought, but certainly DJI, you've done a fantastic job. This is just brilliant. quality service. I mean, they didn't have to do this. They did not give me a reason why they did it. Perhaps I did do a firmware update just before my drone crashed by itself, so perhaps the firmware update caused the problem and they may know that. That's why they've replaced my drone. I don't know. That's fantastic. So, as I said, in the comments, let me know how you found DJI support. So yeah, please leave a like on this video, and thanks for watching.